Hey everyone! Welcome to Ooze World. My name is Amel and I'm here to show you the best of CMDs in Windows. We'll explore all the fun ways you can use command line tools to enhance your Windows experience. Whether it's automated tasks, programming your own commands, or simply customizing everyday workflows, you'll find it all here. So open your command prompt and join me on this video of discovery, right here on Ooze World. One, IP protocol configuration displays your connection's IP address and other network information. Two, ping tests your network connection for latency and connectivity. 3. SFC/Scan Now scans your system file for errors and repairs them if there are any. Four, NetStat shows active incoming and outgoing connections on your computer or mobile device. Five, CheckDisk checks the integrity of your hard drive's health to make sure it's error-free. Six, PathPing combines the features of Ping and Tracer to identify potential issues in routing or connection delays between two destinations on a network device. Seven, Tracer identifies the path taken by packets of data from a source to a destination across an IP network, such as the Internet, highlighting any problems along the way that could cause latency or slow data transfer speeds on those links along the route. 8. Driver query lists downloadable drivers available for use on your hardware setup, so you know exactly what type of driver files each piece of hardware uses should something need to be replaced or updated eventually down the road. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for being here and watching. A big shout out to everyone who supported me along the way. We couldn't have done this without your help. If you liked what you saw, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our future videos. Until next time, see you soon.